All right, good morning and welcome again to GMF 10. For the last 2 days, we've been reviewing work on working with fractions. So today we're going to review what we did in the last two lessons, and I'm going to give you a short quiz to see how we're doing on this before we start into the main crux of the course, which is to deal with unit pricing and finance. So let's just look at what I gave you that was supposed to be handed in at the end of Tuesday. This is the questions 1 to 4. First part of it was just looking at what fraction the shaded part is of the whole. So if we count all the squares in this block here, we have 25, and we've got 9 that are shaded, so writing as a fraction would be 9 over 25. The circle, if we cut it into 4 pieces, 3 of them are shaded over the 4. Here we have a circle with 2 of the 7. And in the smiley faces here, there are 9. 3 are shaded. However, this fraction is not simplified yet, so we have to reduce that. The point is, whenever you work with fractions, always bring them to their most simplest form. Reducing fractions, we can't reduce that any further, so we leave it the way it is. But 4 over 8, of course we can divide both top and bottom. It's already been due, Gerald, so I'm doing that. I've been here every day. No, I want you to put it in by the due date. I was told that you have to put your things in by 3 o'clock the following day. So that's the same rule that we had from last year with Mr. Chamberlain and Ms. Welton. No, the following day. Okay. I gave this on Monday. Today is Friday.
That's the first part.
Yeah, okay, the first part. Okay, the point on this one here, I won't do them all, but when you convert fractions to decimal, there is a condition here. We change it to 2 decimal points. So what we have here is 2 over 3. And if we use our calculator, I'm seeing some concerns here in how we express that. So I'm going to put the calculator up. We can move it. Guess not. We'll just clear it. 2 divided by 3 gives you a number that repeats itself. And if you're going to round the number that repeats itself, it's 0.666 and goes on forever. The next number here is 6, keeps on going. If you have to round to 2 decimal places, you always look at the number. If it's 5 or more, it means I have to round up. So the answer for this would be 0.67, or you can put the bar over the letter. That means it's repeating. Okay? Converting decimals to fractions. How many places after the decimal? 1. That means it is 5 over 10. If we have 3 places after, it is going to be 1 over 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros, 1 over 1,000. So always count the places after the decimal. It's either going to be over 10, over 100, over 1,000. Okay. So, all right, just going back. The solving for proportions. I'll go with an example again. Reviewed this already, but when we do this, we cross multiply. First thing I do is multiply 3 times x. Is 3x. Next, we put in our equal signs, and then we multiply the other side. 2 times 6, which is 12. Sorry. and we only want 1x, so that means we have to get rid of that 3. In order to get rid of the 3, we divide, and whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. So if I divide by 3 here, 3 divided by 3 is 1, so I can leave it as 1x, which is 1, and then 12 divided by 3 is 4. So my answer for this one would be x equals 4. Okay. Okay, class, you're going to be given a fractions quiz. So just look into your pickup box or your on your website. You see a copy of the fraction quiz. Complete and submit. Thank you.